Alright, what's up guys? Alright, so we've got a few dads coming, a few kids coming. I'm gonna get out here on the tractor. I'm gonna go bush hog the track real quick. I just cut a new track in the field, which is fun. Kids can, big, not oval track, but just, it's a big track, but it's flat, smooth, some little jumps. Went and cut the trails in the back, and I'm gonna go cut the trails in the front. That way, smooth. Some of the kids are going to be on 110s, some of them on 50s. So come on, let's go. We're gonna ride, and then we'll get done riding dirt bikes. We're gonna throw some venison burgers on the Blackstone and probably keep cooking and keep riding. So the trail up here in the front, this little trail here is 1.5 miles long. There's a lot of turns. A lot of braking. Jumps up there. Quite a single track. Stuff like that. That's why we bush hog. Do not leave the child over here. This is pretty much like a pit bike track. Minus big jumps, only small jumps. For the kids, like this little thing right here. Just get it cleaned up. Like this, these sticks and brush and big bikes, you know, you go right over it, but these little PW50s and even the 110s, they CRF 110s, they hit this stuff and it rocks their world. So we're clean it up, but they'll be here in just a minute. This also, we've got it where every single jump you can go around it. You don't have to go over the jumps. Pine straw, try to get down to mineral dirt. More traction. The pond is fun when it's dried up, but it's cold right now, so there will be no. Don't get too close.
got some real boots, man.
Track. Yep. I'm right behind you. You're doing good. Yeah, go over that. There, did you see that? Thanks, buddy. Just stay right there. Okay. We'll go ahead and loop around and come on down here, Liam. You coming?
He hasn't fallen on a dirt bike in a while. Hey, we got it on video. You got your crash on video. And the camera stayed on, so that's good. You want to follow Mr. Josh, trail over there? You want to do that?
We can do that.
Wait, where are we going?
We're gonna go to the front, the track in the front.
You're tough. We gotta get crash on video. Alright.
Go, 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 go. Go. He fell down, Liam. Come back around.
I got that. High five. I got that jump so good of you, bro. We switched.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
so I was like, dude, let me film you. Good job. Let's make sure these are good. Dude, you got the jump. All you got to do is just let off the gas after here.
Okay.
Huh?
I was talking to Liam.
Okay. After that jump, just get off the gas a little bit so you don't go so fast right here.
Liam has lately been getting to the top of the jump
Yeah.
and they're just coming to a stop. I'm like, dude, you were stopping in the worst spot.
Yeah.
You got to keep the momentum.
Milo, you're riding great, man.
Good job, Liam. Yeah, did you hear what I just said? You gotta give it a little bit more gas. You used to go over that jump really fast until you launched it in the air.
Smoky boy.
Just go that way.
Yeah. You want to? Let's ride this a little bit more, and then we'll go over there.
What's he want to do?
He just likes the front yard. You are riding so well. Give me a high five. Proud of you, dude. You ready?
That's all right. I'm gonna come get you. I'm gonna go get Liam.
Dude, I'm hyped I filmed him do that.
I got it on film too.
That was so good.
I'm gonna help Natalie with the groceries.
Cool.
Ow. I said ow. I said ow. Oh. Oh. I'm alright. Ooh.
You good?
Yeah, I just jammed my wrist really hard.
What are you doing?
Whoa.
Oh. I'm glad I had all this gear on. That's correct, I was showing off. And
Daddy, where's your camera?
I don't know. I went up and then I went down.
I blacked out.
The only way to get better. Oh, that's what it was, and then I went over. Nothing?
You fall?
I did.
Oh, I thought you were on the ground. No way. Did you fall?
I was doing a wheelie and then I high-sided into the ground really hard. All my gear protected me though.
Okay.
Like my shin was hurting really bad, which is a double. I got pads and boots. Like, no, it doesn't hurt now. I'm saying if I didn't have pads.
What do you take right?
All right, I'm just gonna go ride and chill. No more playing. Liam goes, "You were showing off, Dad."
I didn't see it happen.
Liam, where did Mr. Paul go?
You lead the way.
Where are you at? Are you riding in the front with Milo? Okay. Well, you know how to get back to the house? Yeah, just turn around and go back up there. I didn't realize he followed us.
Yeah.
He's going back up there with my... Yeah, hold on. All right, turn your wheel all the way to the left and go. Give it a little turn. Now give it some gas. Yep. It'll push it. Slow. Slow. There you go. Take it easy back to the house, okay? That's fun.
Huh?
That's fun.
Oh yeah.
You can get fast.
For sure. What gear were you in? Like third or fourth? Fourth? I didn't even know which one I was.
I'll follow you on it.
Alright. I'm not familiar with like how it was, you know?
We'll go take a look at it. So you just gotta, there's like a mound right over top of the pipe.
Okay. You get right on that?
Yeah, if you hit it just right, you don't die. If you hit the pipe, you die. So hit it lower, like almost where that fire ant pile is.
Let me see you do it from this angle.
Okay. This is a 30-inch pipe. There you go. That was close.
I almost hit it.
Your back tire almost came off of the pipe.
No way.
It bounced off of it. Do you think you could drive off of the pipe?
What do you mean?
Like come around and like drive off of it?
Oh, like off the road?
Yeah, like jump off of the pipe. Like come on the road and then drive off of the pipe?
Maybe. I'll try it. Try anything once. Like to there?
Yeah, and then jump off of it.
Like straight or at an angle?
Whatever you feel more comfortable with. But I would, when you jump off, before your tire, I would give it some gas to get the front end up.
Yeah, because I don't want to go like that.
So I would do it in second gear, and then when you come right here, give it some gas to get the momentum of that front up.
Alright.
I would try it if I had better suspension, because I got to get my suspension there done. That was a lie. I ain't doing that. I'm just kidding. I might do it. I probably would. Here we go. Whoa. He said nope. He said hell no. Whoa! Oh, he almost ate it there.
Dude, that's like, I'm not used to doing that.
So you're...
That was hilarious. Ate it today.
Yeah, we did both eat it today.
Yeah, I was trying to like go like that, right?
Oh no, you're turning right, so you need your butt the other way. Yeah, like that.
Gotcha.
So, because so say this is the bike and this is your body. If you can keep your body straight and let the bike turn underneath you, it'll keep pressure down on the tire and it won't go out from under you.
Gotcha.
Like the outside.
That's why you say scoot back.
No, don't scoot back.
No?
Don't scoot back at all. Scoot forward.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to be like this. You want forward.
Maybe that was something else we were trying.
Because you want to be forward. If you keep more weight forward on your bike, your front tire is not going to kick out.
Yeah.
Just like like motocross guys, when they're coming into the turn, sometimes they'll hit that front brake a little bit, and it'll load the suspension, and then it'll keep the tire in the rut.
Damn.
But not too much.
Yeah.
But yeah, so you want to be forward and outside pressure on whatever your outside leg is on the turn, like pushing hard.
Yeah. My bad, dog.
I don't care. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting those burgers ready.
Yeah, let's do it. I'll help you out.